Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how you can use the segment heat maps to understand how your visitors interact with your website web pages, right? Okay, so for segment heat maps, you can use the filter here to actually look at how different segments interact with your element, with your page. So you can segment by referral, operating system, browser, time of day, or day of week. So for this example, we are going to use a referral filters so you can quickly see how different visitors coming from different referral sources interact with our page. So some of the we can see, okay, the blue color represent direct sources. So the direct sources, visitors coming from the direct sources tend to uh, uh, are more keen to understand our use cases. And then there's these red um, circles, red bubbles from the Google. Actually, some of them are interested in our feature. Yes, so that is how uh, segment here, the segment filters, the segment heat maps help you quickly understand how different segments interact with your page. And you can also view the website heat map by tablet device and also by mobile device as well. Yeah, I think that is pretty much about the segment heat maps. And yes, I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.